Good morning, Friday, February 17th, 2023. So these are my bandsaw blades. You can see I have them numbered. That's how I try to keep track of them. So you can see here, number 4, blade snapped while cutting. So I pulled out number 3 on January 30th, number 3 to try number 3 to be sure no other problems. So now we're going to get a new one. We're going to take number 3 out of service and put number 5 in service. I just kind of keep track of this, so I label the blades so I'll know which ones have to get sharpened and which ones are going to the garbage. So that's what we're going to work on today. Okay, so this is what we annotated. We put number 3 on February 17th. It needs to be sharpened. We're taking that out of service, and we're going to get a brand new blade, name it number 5 on today's date, and it's going to be new in service. So that's the plan. Let's see what that actually looks like and how we actually do that. Okay, so I have my DJI wireless transmitter on. We're going to see how that goes. Yep, I got the one transmitter. We're going to not use the receiver. We're just going to use the transmitter because this camera does not have an external mic input, so we're just going to use the transmitter, and then we're going to bring it in post video shooting. So this is how they come. Okay. It's this way. Oh, must be this way. Yep, there we go. So I believe that's 10 minus a couple saw blades. And we're going to get some gloves. All right, so it's probably going to get worn off, but what I do like to do, I do like to label them. So we have a number. It says number 5, new, in service 2/17/2023. Don't change blades that often, but I think the process is we back this thing off. So there's a half. And there's 1 and a half, and 2 and a half, 3 and a half. All right. Four and a half, 5. Five and a half, just to make sure it goes all the way in. 6. All right, so 6 in. And now we should be able to out that one, out that one, out that one. Okay, number 3 out of service. Let's go grab the new number 5. Okay. There's that one. All right, let's see if we can tighten up the, I don't know what the exact term for this is, but let's see which one of these it is. There we go. Why would this not tighten up? We would expect it to sit seated. There we go. All right, I guess it was a US one. We didn't need the metric or the pliers. Okay, so we got blade number 5 in service. I think we're going to close this up for today. I don't have a log ready to try, and my head hurts quite a bit, so we're going to stop there. Alright, so we have labeled it 2/17/2023, number 3, to be sharpened. Alright, so we're going to store this one for now.